Let's make some warm, comforting rice paper dumplings with a nourishing tofu and vegetable filling. Simple, wholesome, and deeply satisfying. We'll begin with 220 grams of firm tofu. Gently press it between a clean kitchen towel to remove any excess moisture. Taking a moment here makes all the difference in texture. Once it feels firm and dry to the touch, crumble it softly with your hands and set it aside. That lovely firm tofu adds its plant-powered protein and mineral richness, giving these dumplings a satisfying, steady feel. Now place a pan over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of oil. As the oil warms, add 2 finely chopped garlic pods and some finely chopped ginger. Let them sizzle gently. Add 1 finely chopped onion and saute until soft and translucent. Sprinkle in a little salt to help everything cook down evenly. Next, add 1 cup of finely chopped mushrooms, half a cup of carrot, and half a cup of shredded cabbage. The mushrooms bring a beautiful earthy depth and their quiet nutrient density, while the colorful vegetables add freshness, fiber, and a natural balance to the filling. Stir gently and allow everything to soften together. Now add the crumbled tofu to the pan, folding it in slowly so it blends beautifully with the vegetables. Now, let's prepare the sauce to go in this vegetable filling. In a bowl, combine 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar and hot chili sauce or sriracha to your taste. Stir it slowly until everything comes together. Pour this sauce into the pan and saute until the filling is well coated and cooked through. Taste and adjust the salt if needed. Once done, turn off the heat and let the filling rest for a moment. Your wholesome filling is now ready. Take a wide bowl of water and gently dip a rice paper sheet on all sides. Once it softens, place it carefully on a flat surface. Add 2 spoonfuls of the filling in the center. Fold in the sides first, then fold from the top and bottom, forming a neat little dumpling. If you like, you can wrap it in an extra layer of rice paper. This optional step helps prevent tearing while flipping and gives a slightly sturdier bite. Repeat this process and prepare about 7 dumplings. Now heat a pan with 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. Sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. Gently arrange the dumplings in the pan. Let them cook slowly on one side until golden and lightly crisp. Then carefully flip them and cook the other side the same way. When both sides are beautifully toasted, remove them from the pan. Your tasty rice paper dumplings are ready. To make a simple dipping sauce, combine 2 to 3 teaspoons of soy sauce, a little sriracha, 3/4 of a teaspoon of peanut butter in a bowl. Add half a cup of hot water and stir until smooth and silky. And now, serve these warm, crisp dumplings with a creamy, spicy dip. A cozy, nourishing bite made with simple ingredients.